Sige ma'am, paki-explain lang to ma'am, Oppo A5 Unlock.
A5 6128. So dati po 899 siya. So naka less 500 siya. 8499 na lang. So yung si 4256 naman po, so less 1K siya. Magiging 899 na lang siya. Then ito rin po, 1099.
So less 1,000 to? Less 1,000 to. Ito less 500. Kapag
Yun po yung
nag-purchase lang
promo
sila.
niya.
Okay.
Yung promo
Ito hanggang ano lang, hanggang
January.
January 31, 2026. Okay. So yun yung promo. Na-explain na rin. So, thank you very much, madam. Hi, hello. This is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie at nandito tayo sa Oppo Concept Store sa SM Fairview at again, mag-check tayo ng mga bagong prices or updated prices ng Oppo phones for January 2026. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, we have another price drop, no? So, as low as 6,999 at saka 8,499, the Oppo A3. So, yan po, no? Yung specs ng 6,999 is 12GB RAM, 128GB ROM. Tapos yung A3 high niya is 8,499. At meron din 10,499, no? Yung 8,499, 16GB RAM, tapos 128GB ROM. Yung 10,499 naman is 16GB RAM at 256GB ROM. This comes in 4 colors, no? Ayan yung colors niya. So ano pa, yung meron siyang military grade, no, resistance, 50 megapixel camera, Snapdragon din, 6S at saka may 4 years durable battery. So ayan yung price, may price drop to. Mamaya tanong natin kung magkano ang na-discount nito, no? So check natin muna yung physical feature ng Oppo A3. So masyado masinag. Nasisinagan ako. So ayan, A3, ito yung camera niya. So may 50 megapixel ultra clear camera. Not bad. At meron pa rin to accommodate yung 3.5mm na jack for wired na ear-in na headset o na buds. Ayan, so ito itsura niya sa malayo. Tapos ito sa malapit-lapit. Ayan. So Oppo A3, no? Oppo A3. Ano bang meron ka pa? May 5,100 mAh battery. Ano pa? 1,000 nits. Tapos may 300% na volume mode. Yan. So yan yung Oppo A3. Yan ang Oppo A3. Okay, ang next naman natin, Oppo A5, no? Kasi sa mga popular na series nila to, no? Merong mga prices tayo dito, 8,499. Tapos 9,999 at saka 11,999. Ito yung phone. Nice. So it comes in 2 colors, no? Mist white. Tsaka Aurora green. So ang ganda niya. Ayun yung Aurora green at saka mist white. Available din siya, no? Sa 0 interest payment for 6 months, no? Sa home credit. Sige ma'am, paki-explain lang to ma'am, Oppo A5 Unlock.
A5 6128. So dati po 899 siya. So naka less 500 siya. 8499 na lang. So yung si 4256 naman po, so less 1K siya. Magiging 899 na lang siya. Then ito rin po, 1099.
So less 1,000 to? Less 1,000 to. Ito less 500. Kapag nag-purchase lang sila. Okay. Ito hanggang hanggang January 31, 2026. Okay. So yun yung promo. Na-explain na rin. So thank you very much, madam. Let's check out yung kanilang entry level or budget phone ng Oppo. It's Oppo A5i. So as you can see, siya, no? May 45 watt supercharging. Meron siyang Snapdragon, 4G, 1,000 nits, tsaka military grade, shock resistance, no? So ito yung may discount siya na pakita ko kanina sa introduction. So this one, no? bumaba to at saka this one din bumaba yan. So let's check yung phone, kung ano tsura niya. So yung price drop niya, no, ano na siya, permanent. So ayan, very, very shiny, no. This is the berry purple. Starry purple. So ito yung camera niya. Nakikita nyo. So nice color, di ba? Medyo semi-curvy. So may 5,100 milliamp battery. Tapos 1,000 nits. May volume 300%, no? Mga nauusan na ulit yan. Turbo touch 200%. And Snapdragon, wow. Meron siyang Snapdragon for a budget phone, no? And what else? Large memory, storage. So yung 4,399 niya, no, may 8GB RAM at saka 64GB ROM. Yung susunod na price niya ay yung 5,699, 8GB RAM at saka 128GB ROM. Okay. So, yan ang Oppo A5i for those who are trying to find budget phones this year 2026. Okay, ang next phone natin is the Oppo A5X. Almost entry level. Pwede na rin. Pwede rin mga consider as a budget phone. It's below 7,000 pesos. Alam naman natin, mamahal ang mga presyo ngayon. So, hindi na katulad dati. So, this one, meron din smooth Snapdragon 6 4G Gen 1 processor. May military grade shock resistance. Tapos may 6,000 milliamp long-lasting battery na may 45 watt charging capacity. So, ito 6,999 ang price. And so, available din siya sa home credit, 0% interest up to 6 months. No? Okay, 6,999, 8GB, 4+4, no? And 128GB na ROM. So, let's check out yung mismong unit. Buti na lang meron silang live sample dito. Hindi siya dummy phone. So, ito yung tsura niya. Ito yung sa baba. Oh, meron pang meron pang aux, no? 3.5 na jack. Unlike yung iba, tinatanggal na nila. So this is good news, no? Hindi naman palaging naka-Bluetooth speaker, naka-Bluetooth ka, no, na headphones or in-ear phones na na wired. So yan gilid, yan sa taas, ito isang sa kanan. Ayan, kitang-kita naman, no? So, ito po yung yung camera. Nice color. May tinge of ube at saka blue. A little bit of violet and blue pag nasisinaga ng ilaw. Ayan, o. Yeah. So yan yung Oppo A5X, 6,999 only. Okay, ang next naman natin yung Oppo A6 Pro, no? Unahan natin muna yung mga price. So meron siyang 18,999. Ang specs niya is 16GB RAM, 256GB ROM. At may version din siya ng, ito yung 5G, no? A6 Pro 5G. Tapos meron din siyang 13,999, 12GB RAM at 128GB ROM. At meron naman yung ito yun, no? 18,999 at saka 13,999. Ayan yung A6 Pro 5G. Yung hindi naman 5G, A6 Pro 4G, 15,999. Meron siya 16GB RAM at saka 256 ROM. Yan. So available siya, no, sa ng colors, 4 colors, no. Tapos meron siyang 7,000 milliamp large battery, 120 AMOLED display, may AI editor at saka all-dimensional smoothness optimization. Of course, available din sa home credit if you want. Let's check out the phone. So, ito po yung yung phone. A6A Pro. Ito specs niya. Camera niya 6 MP at saka 50 MP at saka 2 MP. And display niya, yan, AMOLED. Charging niya may 80 watt supercharging. Battery niya is 6,310 milliamp. Rated, typical 6,500. Chip niya is MediaTek 24E, Dimensity 6300. Ayan. Comes again sa storage na 6GB plus 128 ROM. Tapos 8GB plus 256 na ROM. Ayan. So meron siya IP69, IP68 at saka IP66. Okay. Yan po yung Oppo A6 Pro at saka A6 Pro 5G. Okay, next naman natin Oppo Reno 13 5G, no? It's worth 34,999, no? Up to 2,000 IoT discount available sa Home Credit. It comes in two colors din, no? Parang silver tapos isa blue black. At ang kanyang may IP69 water photography at saka 5,600 mAh large battery with 80 watt na charging. So Oppo Reno 13 5G. Check natin yung unit. Reno 13 5G. Yan. Again, the price is 34,999 and possible up to 2,000 peso discount. So ayan yung lens niya. For complete specs, no, hindi natin mababanggit lahat. Check nyo na lang yung description box below. Okay. Yan yung Oppo Reno 13. So, yung gilid niya, yung power button. Okay, wala nang provision again for 3.5mm na jack. So, yun. So, Bluetooth ka na lang. So, yan yun. Oppo Reno 13 series. Tingnan natin yung camera niya. Yung camera niya, may 15 megapixel selfie camera, rear camera 50MP, main camera 8MP ultra wide, at saka 2MP monochrome camera. Yung display niya, adapted screen. Yung chipset niya is MediaTek Dimensity 8350. Again, yung battery niya is 5,600 mAh battery with 80 watts na flash charge. So yan again yung Oppo Reno 13. Okay, next naman natin is Oppo Reno 13F, no? IP69 underwater photography. Oh, AI live photo, plus AI link boost. Up to 2,000 IoT discount. May home credit available din. So meron siyang dalawang version, yung 13F na 4G at saka 13F na 5G. Yung 4G 16,999, may 16GB RAM to 56GB ROM. Tapos itong 23,999 na 5G is 24GB RAM, 512 ROM. Tapos yung mas cheaper version niya is 20,999, no, 24GB plus 256GB ROM, no. Mas lesser siya sa storage capacity. So ayan yung Oppo 13F. Okay, ito yung Oppo Reno 13F, no. So may two versions siya. Meron na 4G at saka 5G, no? So nakita niyo naman siguro yung presyo na, kung hindi i-flash natin ulit later. Include po yan sa editing. Ayan po yung camera niya. Diba? Nice. Magka matte finish siya, no? Wala nang provision for 3.5mm na aux jack. So dito na yung SD card niya, SD card. So yan, no? Meron siyang AI live photo, AI motion, AI reflection remover, IP69 water resistance, underwater photography, 5800 mAh battery, 45 watt supercharging, AI link boost, hyper boost, tsaka multi-cooling system. Nice, para hindi mag-overheat. Front camera is 32MP, rear camera 50MP, 8MP at saka 2MP, 58 and 2MP, no? Yan yun. Tapos yung chips niya, MediaTek Helio G100 4G platform, 5800 or 5800 mAh battery. So yan yung Oppo Reno 13. Okay, ito naman yung Oppo Reno 14 5G, no? 14 Pro 5G, 47,999. May 24GB RAM at saka 512GB ROM. Comes in two colors. Tapos meron din available na 24 months zero pay interest. May 4K video underwater at saka mga AI features. So ito yung Oppo Reno 14 Pro 5G, 47,999. Oppo Reno 14 5G. Oppo Reno 14 5G, meron AI 4K enhanced, no? Ayan, no? May flashlight photo. Click here. AI translator. Language, may Google Gemini na inside. No? Tapos, what else? Opal white. So, ito yun. Tapos, meron din green, luminous green. Meron tayong opal white. Ito yun, opal white. Opal white na Oppo Reno 14. Kita nyo ba? So, let's do some close-up sa camera. Yun. Nice, no? Ito yung tuktok. Again, wala nang provision for 3.5mm jack. It's all Bluetooth. Tingnan natin yung specs niya, no? Yung cameras niya, meron 50MP front camera, wide angle 50, ultra wide ang camera 8 megapixel, no? Wow, at saka 50 megapixel na telephoto. AMOLED display at saka 6,000 mAh battery, Dimensity 8350 na na microchip niya na CPU. Yan. So again, dalawang storage, 12GB 256 ROM at saka 12GB 5112 na ROM. So dalawang klase. Kaya next naman natin, no, yung Oppo Reno 14F 5G. Meron siyang 21,999, 16GB RAM, 256 na ROM. Tapos may 24,999 na 24GB RAM, 256 na ROM. Tapos yung pinakamahal is 27,999, 24GB RAM na 5112 na ROM. Mukhang may discount rin yata to. Tulad ng nauna kaninang phone. So meron siyang tagto 2,000, 1,000, tsaka 4,000 na discount. Okay, ito yung Oppo Reno 14F 5G. We have the yung green color. Yan, nice, no? So ito yung Oppo Reno 14F 5G. Check natin. Obviously, pwede pang gaming, esports. Tapos yung maganda yung design niya. May Google inside. And okay yung camera niya, obviously. May check natin yung specs ng mga camera niya. Yan. Yung camera niya, yan, yung camera niya. Yung camera niya is 32 megapixels, front, wide angle naman is 50 megapixel, ultra wide angle 8MP at saka macro, 2MP. Okay, AMOLED display. That's 45 watt supercharging. 100% charging in 80 minutes. Wired charging. Ang battery niya is 6,000 mAh. Chips niya, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 mobile platform. Okay? Yan o. Snapdragon. So, may mga variation siya, no? Na storage, 8GB, 256, 12, 256, 12, 512. Tapos ano pa, IP69, 68, at saka 66 rating. At meron siyang color OS 15 based on Android 15. So, that's your Reno. That's your Reno 14FG. Okay, this is the Oppo Reno 14 Pro 5G. Nasa kamay natin. Ito yung tsura niya. Ayan. Yung camera niya. Ganda, no? Medyo nakausbong. Siguradong super na siya, no? Pang vlogging. So, yung specs niya, no? Sa front camera niya, 50 megapixels, wide angle camera 50 megapixels, ultra wide angle camera 50 megapixel, telephoto camera 50 megapixel, AMOLED display. So may AMOLED display siya, charge niya 80 watt fast charging, tapos wireless 50 watt fast charging. Ang battery niya is 6,200 mAh. Ang kanyang CPU is MediaTek Dimensity 8450 na platform. Again, yung storage 5112 na ROM at saka 12GB na RAM. And that's your plus may IP69, 68 at saka 66 na rating siya. Yung frame niya is made of aluminum frame, aerospace grade. So dapat matibay siya dahil ang cost niya is 47,999 dapat lang. Okay, last but not the least, Oppo Find X9, no? Co-developed with Hasselblad, no? Yung maker ng mga camera lenses. At saka meron din camera si Hasselblad, no? Mga old school dyan, mga OG. So itong Find X9 may 120x super zoom, tapos may AI Mindspace, Pro Night Photography, at 7,025 mAh large battery capacity. But the cost is 69,999, and with that you have 28 GB RAM tsaka 512 na ROM. So 12 plus 16 GB plus 12 GB na RAM expansion. It comes with the titanium gray and space black. So let's check out the phone. So yan yon. Yan din yung nasa yung nag-click kayo kanina. Yan yung nasa thumbnail ko. Yan ang ginamit. So thank you dito sa sa staff ng Oppo SM Fairview for letting me use the phone. So yan yung camera niya. O di ba, nakausbong. Siyempre wala nang 3.5 jack yan, no? Mag-Bluetooth ka. Ayan. So meron siyang 120 millimeter na zoom. Tapos may 4K 120 FPS with Dolby Vision recording para sa video. Professional video creation is now at your fingertips. Yung stage mode pag may gusto kang kuhanan sa concert at may zoom ka na, di ba? 120x zoom, super zoom. May 50 megapixel periscope telephoto ka na. So hindi mo na kailangan ng accessory, ganun. Yun, di ba? Color camera, megapixel. Yung pala yung ultra wide zoom na yun. Tapos may high resolution mode. 7,025 milliamp large battery capacity. Tapos may 80 watt and 50 watt charging. Ito yung wired, ito yung wireless. At meron siyang IP68 and 69 na rating. Yeah. Meron siyang MediaTek Dimensity 9500 version. May mga AI features siya sa loob. Kasama na si Gemini. Magsawa ka makapag-usap kay Gemini at mag-research. Yan. Tapos, kung gusto mo bumili pa, mayroon siyang compatible na Enco X3 6 na in-ear Bluetooth na earbuds. So that's the Oppo Find X9.